Welcome to Thunder Valley Casino Resort. This week, I'm staying in a Prevence Suite on the top floor. This suite begins with a nice half bath right as you enter. It has a full-size wet bar with mini fridge and a Keurig. This full-size living room is very spacious and has a dining room table so you can have a meal. Being on the top floor has its perks. With tall ceilings and automatic drapes, you feel like a VIP. Let's check out the master suite. This comfortable king-size bed will give you plenty of Z's. Large screen TV, and a desk area so you can do some work. You can look outside and look at that beautiful view. Now it's time for my morning snack. The master bathroom is exquisite, with a full-size jacuzzi tub, separate toilet, and double sinks. Also has a makeup counter. And the details in the ceiling. Don't forget about the TV above the jacuzzi tub. You can just sit back, relax, and have a nice soak. The shower is huge. You could have a party in the shower if you so desired. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click that bell. You'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. If you want to see more suite tours, click on this. If you want to see me go down to the casino and gamble, click on this.